In today's call, we are installing an Algo paging amplifier.
Matrix MDI, this is Mike.
Hey, this is Michael. Calling from Tulsa.
Yeah.
Here to install the Algo.
Okay. And are you in the equipment room?
I am.
Yeah. So we got some engineers on the bridge that'll help you walk you through, identify, the existing adapter and what we need to do to get that replaced and tested.
Okay. I'll get into the bridge.
All right.
I'm going to connect to the conference bridge, and they're going to explain to us how they want it done.
Hi, Michael.
How are you guys?
Good. All right, so you got the adapter and you're ready to go?
Yes, sir.
So we got to find some stuff first. What we're doing is trying to find the paging amp, and we're going to put this adapter that you're holding between the paging amp and the network.
All right.
So the paging amp should be a Bogen.
Yep, I see a Bogen.
And then it has probably two sets of wires coming off, with one of them going out to the speakers. That would be the 70-volt side, and then one that goes into the paging, eventually to the network side. Depending on which model you're on, it either says tip and ring or it says like telephone interface.
All right.
Are you on a 15? There's different sizes we've run into, 15, 60, 100 we've seen so far.
It says model TPU 60 Bravo, 60 watt.
Okay, so I think it is the bigger one where it says telephone. It's like right in the middle of the pins, like 6 and 7 or something. Does that look like what you got?
Trying to look for the pins.
There might be a cover over them.
Yeah.
The bigger ones have.
I was just trying to see
screwed down.
what the labels are on them. All right, so yeah, telephone, tip and ring. I've got a 70 volt, a comm, and a ground.
That tip and ring one is the ones we're going to try to reuse. So if you trace those where they go, it's probably going to hit a Viking and then like an ATA device. We're going to free those wires up, and those are going to get moved on to the Algo that you got.
Am I putting the Algo, because this is on the wall away from the rack, so are we going to put the Algo on the wall close to this, or do we need to be closer to the rack equipment?
Well, let's find the other half of what we need to find. The other portion we need to get to is network. It has to connect to the Algo, and the network we're trying to replace is right now on an Edgewater router. There's two parts, I suppose. You can find the switch stack would be one way to go, and it's going to be switch 1, port 1. That patch cable goes to the Edgewater on its port 4. We're trying to get the Algo to be in that switch 1. So depending on how far away that is and how long your patch cords are, I think that's how we're going to decide.
I found a switch labeled switch 1.
And hopefully that traces over to this Edgewater.
They actually have a switch in the rack that's still labeled switch 1 and is not powered up, so that kind of caused some confusion, but I found a different switch that's labeled switch 1 that's powered up, and is going to port 4 of a gray box, which I'm going to assume is the Edgewater.
We don't want that to be connected anymore.
So I'm going to remove it from the Edgewater side, and that's what we're going to plug our Algo into.
Yep, we have other sides mounted to the wall.
Got the patch cable, it'll reach, so I'm getting ready to put the mount on the wall here, so we'll have that. So are we taking the Bogen completely out of the equation, or we're just putting this in between?
Between. We're going to go network to Algo to Bogen. What is getting taken out is probably a Viking and a ATA.
Yeah, I haven't seen that, unless it's in the rack.
Well, those wires that went from the tip and ring go somewhere. So those wires, once we free those up off Bogen, you'll probably find whatever's feeding this thing. The network is out of the Edgewater, right? So we can turn that port on?
Yeah.
Okay. And can you tell us once it's patched into the Algo too? Because there's some lights we'll check with you.
I've got it patched in. Guys, one of these wires off the Bogen, the tip and ring is going into another room. So I'm going to go run and look at that. I'm wondering if that might be...
like a phone room or something?
Yeah, maybe.
Kind of at that point, I don't think we really care, because you can just run yourself a new little cross connect just from the line out of the Algo just to that tip and ring of the Bogen and call it a day. We really don't care.
Oh, okay.
Turn that port on, so you should see the Algo power up.
So we're going to be going into the tip and ring on the Bogen.
Well, I think on the 60 it's called something slightly different. Let me look quick.
Because the speaker side, basically we're not messing with the speaker side.
Speaker side we're leaving alone. That's the left thing. in the bottom panel, it's in the middle. It's TEL.
Yeah, it says TEL, and then I've got a TNR on them. So that's what we're going to run into the Algo.
Yep.
And the speaker side, we're effectively not messing with.
Right.
Okay.
And the only thing speaker that we might adjust would be the volume on that amplifier. If it's too loud or too quiet, that's about it. And the volume's just a twister that says TEL volume.
So I just need to cut enough of that wire to reach the Algo.
And there's a little tiny screwdriver in the box too to work with those Algo connectors.
Well, that's just too easy.
We're trying to make these smooth.
No, I don't like if it's not hard. That's no fun.
Mike, let's send him to the place we were yesterday.
Yeah, that one took a while.
Yeah, they had ones. The horns were stuffed with newspaper.
Really?
Duct tape.
All right, so I've got SIP light on the Algo.
Just the one, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. That's what we want to see. Okay.
And then on my Phoenix plug, what connectors I'm going to be using on the Phoenix for that tip and ring going to the Bogen.
You're using the out. It says
Line out.
Yeah, line out.
So these are Phoenix plugs.
Typical.
On Phoenix plugs, these will strip your conductors down.
Too loud. Well, stuff something in it.
We'll strip these down. We'll actually insert them into the Phoenix plug. And there are screw terminals on the top. And so we'll actually stick the cable, the conductors in here, and then we'll screw them down and tighten them. And this plugs directly into the Algo. This is a typical audio video thing. So if you haven't seen this before, these are Phoenix plugs.
His stuff went great. It tested well from the outside on the amplifier, and then he left. Well, and the other thing to keep in mind, if you have someone to test, they usually need to be able to get up high. It's a warehouse. Yeah.
And these are keyed so that you can't put them in wrong. They only go a certain way. In this case, they're actually labeled, which is pretty rare. Most of the time they're just blank. You just have to look at the pinout on the device and match it up to the pinout on the plug. But in this case, they're already labeled. All right, guys, I got those. Got that plugged into the line.
All right.
What's next?
So now we're going to test. We can either test from here, and I guess if we're going to do that, I think you should go probably back in the warehouse. That's where they've typically been. You can hear it. Or you can ask one of the employees to test. I suppose maybe you should note the code, just in case we need you to. The code, or how you do it, is you pick up a phone, and in their case, their phones are on their computers, and they dial at this site, and then you hear a tone from the paging, and then you talk. And whatever you talk after that tone is what comes out.
Testing, testing. Okay, so speakerphone's probably not the best way to do that.
Yeah, maybe not, but it sounded pretty good.
Yeah.
Was it a little loud, or was it okay?
I mean, it was fairly loud. Tell volume. So we are at, we're at 1 o'clock. So maybe if I go to 11 o'clock, I don't know if that's substantial enough.
10, 11.
Maybe 10. Okay, tell volume 10. All right.
This is a test page 4, 5.
Wow, that's really too quiet. Okay.
All right, then go to noon, I guess.
And I did not hear you at all. So,
Yeah, you were 1 o'clock before it.
yeah,
That makes a big difference.
yeah, I'm shocked that that made that much of a difference. All right, so I'm going to noon.
This is a test page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's pretty loud, isn't it?
We're-
And that's not too loud?
That's not too loud.
Okay, I think we're good on volume.
All right, I think we're good then. Well, you can, if you need to tidy up any of your mounting, fine, but...
Yeah, I got to do that. I've got a cable managed. I just dangled it for the moment.
Appreciate it.
All right, thank you guys.
Appreciate it.
And just like that, we've installed a paging adapter. Pretty simple. Tech support walked us through the entire process. All you had to do was have basic understanding of cabling, cable management, and comprehension of what they were talking about with plugs and connectors and tracing out specific spots. If you got value out of this, please like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you're informed every time I upload something new. Check out my website at fieldtechacademy.com. I have a lot of downloads available for those of you who are on Field Nation and Work Market to help you flesh out your profile and make them stronger. I also offer one-on-one coaching. If you need a little bit of help to kind of get to the next level in your independent field tech journey, then I'm here to help. I also have a client list on my website that is available. Most everybody knows about Field Nation and Work Market, but there are a lot of clients out there with whom you can go direct. They will call you and email you before anybody else to give you an opportunity to do service calls. As always, let's get you out in the field making money. I'll see you in the next video.